How to fix Dream Flash on Snapchat. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can fix the Dream Flash on Snapchat. If any day you would like to fix the Dream Flash on Snapchat, at first you have to launch the very Snapchat application. You have to tap on Snapchat application like this. When you tap on Snapchat application, you can see an interface like this. Here you have to tap on the I like option. After you tap on the I like option, now it will take you to an interface like this. Here you have to go to the option of notifications and then enable the notification by tapping on allow notifications and allow sound and vibration. After that, you can go back and tap on the option of permissions. When you tap on permission, you have to allow the permission to camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notification phone, and photos and videos. Again, you can go back and tap on the option of set as default. Here you have to enable open the supported links and then go back again. After going back, now you have to go to the option of storage. When you tap on the option of storage, here you have to go to the option of cache, then go to the option of clear the cache, and then go back again. After going back, now you have to go to the next option, that is App Details in Store. After tapping on App Details in Store, you can see an interface like this. If you see the option of update here, you have to update your very application. And after you update your very application, your problem is solved. Thank you for watching our video. And if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.